Welcome back. We're in the side yard today. Nice warm evening. I got my easel and paper here. Going to do some drawing today. Before we get started with our practice, we must realize that observation is super important in learning to draw. We must become students of everything. We must observe, just like Leonardo da Vinci did. He was even known to open up cadavers so he can study the human body. Part 1, drawing from life. I'm not so sure we should dissect a cadaver yet, so let's start with something that's easily accessible, the hand. So, I'm going to show you just how of an awesome artist I am, because I'm going to draw my hand absolutely perfectly without even looking at this paper. Here we go. So I'm finding the outside edge. Now I'm doing everything. I'm taking just about a minute to do this. Okay. Now I want to make sure I get every little fingernail, wrinkle, hair, knuckle. Okay. Now notice, I don't know if you can see this, I'm going to move a little bit. I am not even taking the pen off the page. Here's my ring finger. God, this is looking good. Never taking my eye off of my hand. Getting part of my wrist too. A few things on my hand itself, tendons and knuckles. Just so you see, before I reveal my picture, this is what I'm looking at. Back of my hand. Let's see how exact it is. Oh my gosh! Perfection. You're impressed, I can tell. The first drawing was 100% of the time looking at my hand and absolutely 0% looking at the paper. Now it's very important that we do this exercise because what we are training ourselves to do is observe. Observe the object we are drawing. It doesn't matter what the picture actually looks like. What really does matter is that we are training to see what is actually there, not what we think we see. For this next one, a little less time looking at the hand and just enough time to kind of check our work. Here we go. I'm going to put my hand here now. Compose. I don't expect this to be absolutely perfect. I'm going very quickly, just trying to get the outside edges and line work around the knuckles. I am a lot faster doing this, and everything looks a little more in proportion. This finger is a little out to the side. We got a time limit here. Uh-oh. Perfection. Just a little perfection. So for this one, go back and forth, okay? Take a little bit of extra time. It doesn't have to be just a minute, but the idea is, once again, to actually look at every little detail of your subject. Okay, that's the important part here.
So I hope this helped you understand that observation is key in learning to draw. It's not necessarily how the drawing turns out, but that you are learning something, and that you are understanding that you are drawing what is actually there, not just what you think is there. Not even drawing number 3 was meant to be a really perfect drawing. It was meant for you to learn from.